Hi guys, I'm Cody Jay and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today there's no intro, there's no makeup, skincare, nothing. I mean, we're looking beautiful today. Thank you, Bella and Co. Up in Smoke. So today we're actually going to be skipping the makeup and skincare, and I just wanted to sit and talk to you guys for a few minutes about some changes that are happening on my YouTube channel right now, what's going to be happening a little bit in the future with my YouTube channel, as well as the channel memberships I now have here on my YouTube channel. Okay, so first and foremost, I actually want to talk about the YouTube channel memberships that I now have on my channel. Now that is completely different than being subscribed to my channel. So whether you're subscribed or not to my channel, you can join my channel now, and for a recurring monthly fee that you can cancel at any time, you can join a membership. And what that means is, depending on the tier of membership that you choose, you get exclusive member-only perks. So I actually have them on my phone just so I can make sure that I'm saying everything correctly. So there are 4 levels that you can choose from. Level 1 is Silver JAYBABY. That one is $1.99 per month, and you get a loyalty badge next to your name in comments and live chat, so myself and everyone else can see that you have joined my channel membership, and it kind of puts you a little bit above everybody else. And that membership is pretty much if you just want to toss a couple bucks my way each month as a thank you, or as just some extra support for me and my channel. And all of the money that I make from my revenue, not that it really matters, but just I like to be transparent with everybody, but all of the money that I make from AdSense or these new memberships will go back into my social media and my YouTube content creation. It helps me purchase new products for you guys to try out. It helps me when I'm purchasing stuff for giveaways, upgrading my equipment, my lighting, camera, microphone. I'm currently building my dream studio right now at my house, so it also will go towards that. So if you just want to toss a couple bucks my way, the Silver JAYBABY is for you. Next is level 2. That is called Gold JAYBABY. That is $3.99 per month. That also gets you a loyalty badge next to your name. All of these levels give you a loyalty badge next to your name, and the color changes depending on how long you have joined my channel memberships. So it kind of differentiates you compared to other members as well. And also, before I get into more of these perks, I do want to say that when I post to my community tab on YouTube, I can post to everybody as a group, all of my subscribers, but I can also now choose to only post certain content to certain levels of memberships or only just my members. So again, that's how you can get exclusive behind the scenes footage of things. You are also able to get early access to videos. I'm going to be doing exclusive giveaways on my channel for members only, a lot coming up. I know I'll do it at least once per month, where the only people eligible to win that giveaway are channel members. So that gives you a much better chance at winning something. But anyway, Gold JAYBABY is $3.99 per month. You get a loyalty badge next to your name and comments in the live chat. You also are allowed to send me unlimited photo content for feedback. So if you need tips or tricks or help on maybe it's blending, maybe it's application techniques, whatever it may be, anything that you think you might want my opinion on as far as improvement, I'm more than happy to offer that improvement to you, or those tips and tricks. You can send those photos to me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, whatever it is that you're following me on, and I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Next is level 3. Level 3 is called Platinum JAYBABY. That is $9.99 per month. Again, you can cancel your membership with this at any time. It's $9.99 per month. This one, again, the higher you go up in the level, you get better perks, but you also get all of the perks underneath it. So with this one, for example, once a month, you can send me a YouTube video and I will help you with your search engine optimization on your video. I will help you with titles, descriptions, keywords, tags, what your hashtags should be, and where you should put them in your video. I'll make sure that your video is as properly optimized as it possibly can be, so you have a better chance of your video being seen and having people watch it. So with that, again, you get everything that's below it having this level. So you'll get the once per month YouTube SEO. You also can send me unlimited photos for feedback. And again, you get the little colored membership thing beside your name. And the 4th and final level is called Diamond JAYBABY. It's $19.99 per month. With this, you get early access to new videos, and I will be posting those on my community tab. It'll be unlisted except for community members that are, of course, again, joined on my memberships. So you guys will get access to my videos early. I'm not sure if it's going to be a day early, several hours early, if I'm just going to do a private watch page for all of my channel members that are on the diamond level and watch it together with you guys. But again, you get that, plus you get the once per month SEO option with your YouTube videos if you have them. You also get unlimited photo content feedback from me. So like I said, the higher you go, the more perks you get all together. So I think the perks for all 4 of these levels are pretty great. And like I said, the higher you go, the more you get overall. And it's a fun way to differentiate yourself as a supporter or a JAYBABY from other people. And of course, it helps support me a little bit more financially to be able to purchase more things and review things as soon as they come out, rather than like a month or 2 later. Definitely that's something that is holding my channel back, and I know that, just not being able to review certain products as soon as they come out, because let's be honest, let's be realistic. I have bills like everybody else, makeup's expensive, especially when you're trying to buy all the new things all the time. So it definitely will help more than you can possibly imagine. And so if you've already joined my channel membership, I appreciate it so very much. And if you plan on doing so, thank you so much ahead of time. So up next are some changes that have been happening on my YouTube channel. I have changed my audio. If you have not noticed, I now have a Video Mic Pro instead of a Video Mic Go, so it cancels out some little background noises and just helps it be a little bit more clear. So hopefully that's something you have noticed. I have moved my entire filming setup, so the lighting is a little bit different, so hopefully it's good enough for you guys. I think it personally looks fine, but if you don't think so, let me know and I can try to adjust it. Now with my backgrounds, it was hard for a few videos to figure out how to get them to blur, just because there's not as much space between the camera, me, and the backdrop now, because the room that I'm in is a lot smaller than where I filmed before. But I think now, as you can see, it's pretty much blurred and looks the way it should look, so that's back on track. As far as content changes, I've removed a couple of the playlists off of my channel. I was getting to start having too many, and it was kind of making it messy and hard to promote and share them, to be honest. So I've condensed a lot of the playlists so that they make more sense, they're more user-friendly, and it helps you go from one video to the next a lot easier, and they kind of make a lot more sense. Now, as far as content changes on my channel, overall, of course, I'll be doing makeup reviews, makeup tutorials. I do want to start doing a lot more challenges. Those are things that are really the most fun to me, because you don't have to be serious. It's not about looking amazing. It's just about having fun and trying to accomplish whatever said challenge is. And also, I've started doing mini tutorials. I have 4 or 5 mini eyeshadow tutorials now, and pretty much all that is a super zoomed in video of my eyeball, and I go through an eyeshadow tutorial using different palettes each time. I'm showing you how to do, in depth at least, how to do cut creases, half cut creases, faking cut creases, halo eyeshadow, smoky eye, colorful, warm, neutral, cool toned, anything and everything. I have already started to film. I've already uploaded several, and I have many more planned. Doing that allows me to use my eyeshadow palettes a lot more than I had been, because I'm just able to focus on the eyeshadow instead of trying to incorporate it into an entire video, especially if you just got done watching, a James Charles palette in a video, and maybe you don't want to see it all the time. I don't know, it's just easier for me to use more of my palettes, and I don't feel like they're just being used once or twice and just kind of going to waste. It also allows me to have more filler content, if I'm being completely honest, when I'm under the weather, super busy, just don't have a lot of time to film, don't have the energy, honestly, to do a full face of makeup and sit in front of a camera, and I just don't really want to talk. So I do a really zoomed in video, I do my tutorial, I do a voiceover. Usually they're about 5 to maybe 8 or 9 minutes long, so they're pretty short, sweet, to the point. A lot of people seem to like that so far. So of course, if you have any specific palettes that you would like me to do these tutorials on, or styles of eyeshadows, or just overall looks or concepts, please comment down below and let me know. As always, your feedback is invaluable, and your recommendations or suggestions for content and future videos means the world to me. It's very helpful, and it allows me to know exactly what you guys want from me, which is kind of the ultimate goal. Other than that, other types of videos that I plan on doing in the future are recreations. I think it's a way of pushing me outside of my comfort zone and kind of getting me out of my little box that I kind of have put myself in. And I'm definitely one of those people who thinks that I can't do what other people can do until I start trying and practicing, and then eventually I get better at it. So if you haven't noticed with my eyeshadow lately, normally I do just very rounded looks. It's just easy for me, and it's easy for me to blend, and my blending's gotten substantially better. But if you haven't noticed, I've been doing a lot more different, kind of fun, colorful, vibrant looks, and I haven't done this shape a lot, so now I do. I leave the little extra space in between just to give it another little cut crease flare looking, moment. I started doing some experimentation with some black liner and wings, and that's not something I ever do. So definitely trying to expand my talent or skill set and try to be a little bit more well-rounded and just experiment with different things. So I think recreations are great because it allows me to not only try new things and kind of push myself a bit more, but it also potentially introduces new artists to you. So I definitely plan on doing these recreations on a lot of bigger artists that I follow, that I look up to so much, like my friend Destiny Ritchie, Leah Morley, hopefully I said her name right, A Cat with Two Heads, I love her so much. So there's just a lot of people that I love. Blend Bunny, she's absolutely incredible. So there's so many people that I'm going to be showing off on my channel, and of course I absolutely will be showing off a lot of recreations or attempting recreations from smaller artists as well. As you know, my platform more than anything is about helping other people grow, and I support them and do as much as I possibly can, anything in my power to help other people be seen. I feel like if we all work together and help each other, we can all be seen. There's definitely room for everybody in the beauty community, even though at times I'm definitely one of those people who feels it at times is very saturated, and I definitely feel like so many of us are getting overshadowed by a lot of the larger influencers, especially with a lot of the drama going on right now. People aren't really focusing on makeup or the smaller makeup creators. They're pretty much just focusing on unnecessary drama that doesn't really need to be in the beauty community, if I'm being honest. As always, I'm trying my best to focus on makeup, not drama, not large influencers, not their actions. I'm using the makeup that I like, and that's it. I'm here to create content, create makeup, connect with all of you, just make memories, have fun, and just improve my overall content and skill set. And that's honestly all that matters to me, at least at the end of the day. Those are my priorities. I just want to grow as an influencer. I want to grow my social media platforms. I want to meet more of you and engage with more of you. I want to accomplish my goals and dreams. I want to work with brands and be on PR lists and do meet and greets. I want to do all those things. So I feel like trying to participate in drama or act like drama is the main, point of the beauty community is only going to hurt people, myself included. So I'm really trying to make sure that I'm staying away from it as much as I can. And as always in the beauty community, somehow drama seems to find me or people, but I just do my usual block and move on. Negative energy, not needed here. But I just wanted to, like I said, sit down with you guys and kind of give you an update on me, my channel, my content, platforms, everything. I haven't really sat down and talked to you guys like this for a while. Usually it's just pumping out content and tutorials and reviews and stuff like that. So I think once in a while, it's nice to kind of just sit down and update you guys and let you know what's on my mind and what my thoughts and plans are. And I don't know, I just am looking forward to the future. July 5th was 1 year that I've actually been on YouTube. I made this channel, I guess it said back in January. I just never did anything with it. So I didn't actually start uploading until January 5th. So I just hit 1 year and we have, I think, like 110 or 115 videos. So I definitely want to double that amount over the next year. Like I said, I want to experiment more, get outside my comfort zone, work with more artists. I love doing my collaborative style videos like I've done with my friend Shannon here on YouTube. Definitely want to do a lot more of those. So if that's something you're interested in and you have an active YouTube channel, please let me know in the comments if you would like to do a collaborative style video with me. It's definitely an easy way for cross advertising, which is kind of the whole point. And it's a good way to pretty much try different challenges or makeup looks or use different products and use the same things but kind of get a different outcome. It's just super fun, and it's a way to kind of freshen up and change up the content that you guys see from me here on my channel. So now that I've rambled for 20 minutes, if you guys have any comments, questions, concerns, opinions, suggestions, or recommendations, please make sure you leave them in the comments down below. And as always, I will obviously answer each and every single comment. Unless you're nasty, then you're gone. But other than that, if you guys would like to keep up with my social media, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and TikTok, all at Cody J Artistry, of course. And as always, if you enjoyed today's video, please make sure you give it a big thumbs up down below. Click that big red subscribe button so you can join my YouTube family. Turn on my YouTube video post notifications by clicking that bell icon and switching it to all. And I thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Thank you so much for all your love and support. It's been an amazing year. I can't wait to see what this year has in store for me, for you, for us as a makeup family, all my little JAYBABYs. I love you all so, so much. Thank you again for absolutely everything you've helped me accomplish, and I will see you guys in the next one.